Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have the Red Hot Mama cocktail. All right, as you can see here, I've got a tall glass, basically a standard drinking glass. And to that, we're going to add 1 shot or 1.5 ounces of rum. You probably could tell I'm using Captain Morgan to be specific. And then you want to add 4 ounces of cranberry juice and 2 ounces of club soda. Give this a little stir around, and that's it. And I gotta say, this cocktail was absolutely delicious. Be a little careful with it because you can guzzle it. And yeah, so that's Red Hot Mama. Done.